Hey, Scott, Scott. What do you think? What do you think? Look, look. What is that? What is that, Scott, Scott? Yeah, I don't know. It makes me nervous. I need to chew on my hand. Yeah? Oh! Oh! Oh, allergic to fun already. Oh, the poor baby. Huh? You don't know about these new toy things, huh? They just make you nervous? Yeah. What about this? Look. Look right here. Look right here. Huh? I should have just saved you the box, huh? That's the fun part. Yeah. Moving the legs, huh? Moving the legs. Yeah.